Introducing veteran international real estate investment expert, author, and speaker, Adiel Gorel.
Real estate tips, investment strategies, wealth building tips, retirement riches, all right here with Adiel Gorel.
So these days I get a lot, everybody's thinking about inflation. And what do I think? Do I think that inflation is on the horizon? Well, during the pandemic in 2020, the government had two stimuli roughly to the tune of $2 trillion each. That's new $4 trillion that they printed. From what I understand, they injected $3 trillion into the financial markets. That would make it a total of $7. In 2021, the Biden administration has already said in its first 100 days, I think we should call the Guinness Book of Records, that they want to print another $6 trillion. So that's going to make it 13. Are they done printing? Maybe not. They love to print. So with all this new money chasing the same amount of goods, and as I said before, really less goods, because some factories and industries went out of business during the pandemic, that spells inflation. So many trillions chasing the same or less goods, more dollars are needed to buy the goods. It's going to hasten inflation. So yes, I believe inflation is on the horizon. I believe inflation is going to come. I myself have been around doing this for long enough to remember inflations of near 20 or maybe even a little more. And so when I started investing, even the rates on mortgages were 14. Inflation was high. I believe inflation is getting to be high. That's going to make the mortgage interest rates higher, maybe even much higher. For a good portion of my career, the rates were 10 and 9 and 11 and, 8.5. So the rates are going to go up. Prices of everything is going to go up. That's really good for us. The price of, the avocado in the supermarket is going to go up, way up. The price of lumber is already going up like crazy, and that's without inflation even. So the prices of houses is very likely to go up. Rents will likely go up because the landlords have to pay for food. Everything will go up in this economy as it always does, except for one thing: your 30-year fixed rate loan payment and loan balance. That is going to change your future. Thanks for joining me today. Click the subscribe button for more video on real estate. Got a question or comment? I love questions and comments. Leave yours below. And here's another video you've got to see.